Welcome back to RV Road Report, your go-to source for rugged rides, high-tech motorhomes, and real-life road adventures. If you're someone who dreams of driving off the beaten path with comfort and style, then today's feature is going to blow your mind. We're diving into the all-new Renault Trafic / Master Camper Van Motorhome, a beast in vibrant gray, built with a rugged long body and 4x4 wheels. Whether you're planning weekend escapes or full-time van life, this van is your mobile base camp. So buckle up, road warriors. Let's hit the road and check out every inch of this adventure-ready rig. Exterior front view. Let's kick things off right here at the official Renault showroom. Just look at that front view. Powerful, modern, and built to impress. The Renault logo sits boldly in the center of the grille, a symbol of European precision. The vibrant gray finish sparkles under the lights, giving off a subtle yet rugged vibe. The LED headlights are sharp and futuristic, and the aerodynamic front bumper adds both style and off-road confidence. This van doesn't just sit pretty, it's ready for action. You know it means business the second you lay eyes on it. Top side view. Now let's move to the top, and this is where the real utility begins. The Renault camper van comes fully prepped for off-grid life with solar panels seamlessly integrated into the roof. These panels power your lights, appliances, and devices on the move, keeping you free from hookups. You'll also spot a sleek roof antenna for stronger connectivity wherever you are, an AC unit that keeps things cool inside, whether you're camping in the desert or the tropics. It's not just a roof, it's a command station for adventure. Backside view. Swinging around the back, the smart design continues. Mounted firmly on the rear is an extra tire, ready to back you up on rugged terrain. Below that, there's a cycle carrier, perfect for bringing along your bike or electric scooter. Ideal for short distance exploring once you've parked up. The rear doors are strong, Loctite, and blend beautifully with a vibrant gray finish. Everything back here screams durability, utility, and freedom. No matter where you go, the rear of this van has your back, literally. Side view. From the side, the Renault camper van reveals even more surprises. A retractable awning extends from the body, creating a shaded outdoor lounge area perfect for relaxing, eating, or just enjoying the view. Picture this. You roll up to a forest clearing, pop out the awning, and suddenly you got your own 5-star patio in the wild. This side view isn't just about looks. It's about lifestyle. Wherever you park, the side setup makes sure you're comfortable, relaxed, and ready to enjoy the great outdoors. Driving compartment. Now step into the driving compartment, the control room for your journey. The Renault cab is modern and smartly equipped. 2 high-resolution LED screens sit on the dash, one for navigation and media, and the other displays a live feed from the rear-view camera, making reversing and parking a breeze. The leather-wrapped seats are both comfy and supportive, perfect for long drives. The layout is ergonomic, with controls right where you need them. Whether you're cruising highways or winding back roads, this cockpit keeps you in charge. Sitting and sleeping area. Right behind the driver's area is your living zone, and Renault has nailed the setup. During the day, it's a cozy sitting space with a small table, great for meals, work, or chilling out. But when the sun goes down, that same space transforms into a comfortable sofa bed, perfect for 2 adults. The materials feel premium, and there's ambient LED lighting to set the mood. Overhead and underseat storage gives you space for gear, clothes, or travel essentials. Whether it's nap time or movie night, this area has you covered. Kitchen. Let's move into the kitchenette. Compact, functional, and stylish. You'll find a 2-burner gas stove, a stainless steel sink, and a mini refrigerator built right into the cabinetry. There's even a small countertop for prepping food or pouring your morning coffee. Upper and lower storage cabinets give you space for cookware and supplies, all neatly tucked away. This kitchen may be small, but it's mighty, designed for efficient cooking and easy cleaning while you're on the move. You can whip up a hot meal anywhere, anytime. Washroom. Yes, this camper van includes a private washroom, cleverly designed into a compact space. Inside, you'll find a cassette toilet, a foldable sink, and a mini shower head. It's all smartly built to maximize utility without wasting space. Wall hooks, towel racks, and waterproof materials make it practical and easy to clean. A small skylight window adds brightness and ventilation, keeping things fresh. For a camper van of this size, the washroom is impressively well thought out, making sure you're self-sufficient wherever your journey takes you. And that wraps up our full tour of the Renault Trafic / Master Camper Van Motorhome, a sleek, powerful, and smart rig in vibrant gray, loaded with everything you need for life on the road. From its rugged 4x4 build to its smart interior design, this van is a traveler's dream come true. And guess what? All this comes at a price tag of just $54,000. That's serious value for a rolling home built for adventure. Got thoughts or questions? Drop them in the comments below. And of course, force them to like, share, subscribe, and comment. See you on the next RV Road Report adventure.